Fourth one, we are going to, that is determine why is it that procurement unit is supposed to be placed, or reasons that might make procurement unit to be placed at the top level management. Together? So, just if I can ask, what do you understand by the term procurement? What do you understand by the term procurement? In your layman's language. Procurement
refers to the legal process of acquiring goods and services by procurement department.
Procurement is a legal process of acquiring goods and services by the procurement department. Any other version? Change your
from the basic knowledge. Procurement simply means the acquisition of goods and services from the producer to the final consumer.
Acquiring goods and services from the producer to the final consumer. Are you together? Any other version? Thank you. So we have come to agreement that the main term here is acquisition. Are you together? Of goods, works, and services. Are you together? And these goods you are acquiring them from the supplier. The supplier can be the producer. Are you together? Now we move them to the organization or to the end consumer. Are you together? With means of logistics. Now, what are some of the roles of procurement entity? Are you together? We want to discuss some of the roles of procurement entity. And just in brief, I want us to recap 5 critical things of a procurement entity. Procurement entity deals with 5 R's. Are you together? Always remember this 5 R's. And these one have a right price, right source, right place, right time, and then we have right quality. These are some of the 5 roles that a procurement unit always play together. These are the backbone roles of a procurement unit in an organization. They help an organization to procure goods at the right price, to procure goods from the right source, procure goods and to be delivered at the right place, to ensure lead time is being met, at the same time right quality is also enhanced and achieved. Together? Now, take a piece of paper. Take a piece of paper. In a group of 2, I want you to discuss some of the principles. Just discuss 2 principles of procurement. In a group of 2, principles of procurement. Principles of procurement. Can you share with your colleagues what you have discussed? Can you share with your colleagues what you have discussed? 1 minute. Now, can you share with me what have you discussed? Group 1?
We have discussed transparency and accountability, efficiency, ethical aspect, fairness.
So we have fairness, we have efficiency, we have accountability, and transparency together.
Yes.
What do you understand by the term accountability? Together, you need to be accountable on anything that you are procuring. Together, this group. Group 2.
We discuss accountability, transparency.
Transparency. That is openness. Together, in procuring process. Together, group 3.
We have discussed value for money,
Value for money.
efficiency and effectiveness, ethical sourcing.
Yeah, ethical society together. So in procurement, also always to ensure that you procure goods at the lowest price possible together, so that we ensure value for money. Group 4.
We have discussed about integrity,
Uh-huh.
transparency,
Mhm.
and accountability.
Mhm.
Yes.
So what do you understand by the term that is integrity, as we have discussed?
Being truthful.
Being truthful together. I thank you, and I believe these are some also addition of just what I can add to you. We have fairness, we have equality, we have transparency, accountability, and value for money, with things that you get in mind together. Now, I want us to describe what are some of the reasons that might make a procurement unit to be placed at the top level management of an organization together. What might be the reasons together? Now, I want you to think and share with your colleague what might be the reasons that might make a procurement unit to be placed at the top level management, at the strategic level management of the organization. Together? Can you think and share with your colleagues? What have you shared with your colleague?
We have discussed it is at the top level of the management because it normally it is the basic department for procuring goods and services to be used by the entire organization.
Group 2?
Marina, I don't know if we base on circumstances.
Circumstances that might make, yes.
If it is circumstances, then the organization policy.
Organizational policy, thank you. Group 3. Group 3.
That is curb corruption.
Corruption.
Yes, as when we allow every department or the smaller department to take charge, then there will be less chances for them to be followed through to confirm if they are following the right practices.
Thank you. And now we have all the answers that have given are correct together. So there's some of the circumstances. If the procurement unit is spending huge sum of money together, it might be blessed at the top level management to curb corruption, as your colleague has said. If a procuring unit is the major business in that particular organization, and you have that is technical, that is usage, and then last you have organizational policy together. I thank you, and I believe when you come next time, we'll be able to, as I would say, organizational policy together. Now, at the same time, I want to give you a task together.
Yes.
Take a piece of paper. Take a piece of paper. Write for me what you have learned. Write for me what you have learned. Write for me what you have learned. what you want to know. And what you know. Are you together?
Yes.
Then pass the piece of paper to me. Thank you. Thank you. Just the promise. I believe I'll go through this, and then when I come for next class, we'll be able to recap what we have learned, and then to also be able to answer various questions with this particular piece of paper together.
Yes.
Thank you, and have a lovely day. Let us meet in our next class.